front of him for a sec? Thank you. It's hard to see from over
Your
here.
donkey's gonna be destroyed, by the way.
Oh yeah, donkey's getting it.
Look at me back.
Oh yeah, give her! Oh, woo! This gets me so pumped up. I don't know where my mom is. Probably off chewing her fingers off.
Yeah.
Is Glenn not moving? Glenn's not moving.
I don't see him moving, but then again, that guy, yeah, he is.
Okay, he's moving?
Yeah.
Yeah! No, don't go over that. Glenn's so nerve-wracking.
Donkey's just hanging on the back. Look at him. Oh.
Oh, no, don't go up there, don't go up there. Oh, that's always scares me when you go.
I know. His bumper's right on.
Oh, no. Oh, he's not. No, don't be stuck, don't be stuck. Come on. He looks stuck. Let's go. Oh, no! You asshole! Asshole! Whoa, what was that?
Was that a wheel?
Was that a hit? What was that?
What was it?
I don't know, but look at the back of Glenn's car. Donkey's still alive. We got Donkey. My camera's really blurry. Look, I closed up, but it's blurry. Those airbags go. What the hell? Hey! They're supposed to take airbags out of the car so that doesn't happen. That can hurt you really bad if your airbag goes off.
You can see it.
What?
The one who did the jump. That guy, the one. Yeah, the one in the black is the one that did the airbag, because you can see the airbag. So wouldn't he be disqualified now?
Well, his car's already done anyways, isn't it?
Oh, Glenn's not moving.
He can't get out yet, I don't think.
No, I mean, but he's
Oh yeah, he's done. He might be able, well, once they tow it out, he can probably put it in last chance.